Hey, how you doing? My name's Paul Ferrace, and we're back with the How-To Landscape Vlog series. Today we're going to go over just a basic outline, like the general overview, and we're going to cover like 5 points. First, we'll be going over the gear needed. Second, we'll be over creating a storyline. Third, we're going to go over planning your workflow. Fourth, we're going to go ways to promote. And number 5 is the most important tip, which I'll let you know at the end. All right, let's jump into it. All right, let's go over the gear needed to landscape vlog. Most people use 2 cameras, 2 tripods, and even more equipment than that, drones and gimbals and all kinds of things. The way I've started was just with 1 camera, my Sony a7 III. I use that to shoot stills and video. It's been working out okay. Now you don't get to do like talking through the shots with your tripod and everything, but I'm not really sure how important that is, to be honest. Like, I don't mind. If I can still get the information and I get to see a compelling video, then it's all fine. I don't need to see you with your camera. But it is nice, and I probably will get a second camera eventually, and I do have GoPros, but I don't think it's that important. So I just use 1 camera for now. I want to talk about audio. So audio is almost, if not more important than the video. If you have great video and bad audio, people are gonna just turn off your video very quick. But if you have great audio and okay video, people will hang around and watch that because the value's still there and you can actually hear and consume the information. But anyway, I just want to let you know you don't need that much gear. If you have like a pretty decent stills camera that records video, you can make these vlogs real easy. Let's jump into the second point, which is creating a storyline. It's not that big of a deal to have like some huge compelling story. It can be complex, but it can also be very simple. Like most landscape vlogs are, I get up, I pack my gear, I go out in search of a great photo, I take a great photo, and then I show everyone the photo. I mean, that's about your most basic storyline you have. And that's fine too, that's great. But anything you can do to like spice it up a little bit and put any like hooks or how you're gonna do something or a comparison, anything that you can do to add like a hook to that storyline is really gonna help get your views up and just like your audience retention, because people are gonna wanna see more. Like if you're trying to increase your views and increase your watch time and increase your subscribers, you want to give them some compelling reason to be interested in the video. You got to go out with a storyline in your mind before you go out and shoot. So creating a storyline is very important to your videos, but it doesn't have to be crazy complex. All right, number 3 is planning your workflow. Like, how are you going to go about shooting? Like a loose workflow for me would be, okay, I pack up all my stuff. I may get a little bit of B-roll of that, maybe a little bit of B-roll going to the car, driving. You can get clips all along the way there. And then when you get there, you just do an introduction. Should be about 10 to 20 seconds, and try to put your hook in there in that first section. And maybe I'll do like a storyline workflow graphic. So you're gonna wanna do your intro, your B-roll, and then you find your composition, you take your shot, you show your shot, and you move on. I mean, that's pretty simple workflow there to start. So if you can just do that, and it's very easy, there's like not many steps there. It's kind of a fine line of like how much information you get, also keeping people watching. So there's like a fine line there, and you got to kind of balance. And this is only for if you're trying to grow your channel. If you're doing it for fun, I can't stress enough that none of this matters. But if you're trying to grow and you're trying to grow your channel and get subscribers, get views, you got to keep it pretty tight. Having a basic outline workflow that ties to your storyline is the way you'll be able to create content each time. It's time to upload and promote. And the way I promote mostly, which I'm going to do a video about this in the future, is community interaction. They're trying to do landscape vlogs. Those are the people, because they want you to interact on theirs. It's just a good symbiotic relationship that just go out there and comment and like and share other people in the landscape vlog community. So what I'll do is I go to the search, I type in landscape photography, enter search, and it pulls up a list of all the big guys. But if you go into filter, sort by upload date, here comes everybody that is small that you'd never find. So it kind of bypasses the algorithm, shows you all the stuff that's just coming up, and you can find the small channels who are like at or above, around your number, and that's who you're gonna get the most interaction from, because they have a vested interest in landscape photography vlogs. They have a vested interest in you supporting them, so they'll support you most of the time. I'll watch their video, and if I like the video, and I like the pictures, I will subscribe, I will comment, I will watch, and I will get involved in their channel with the hopes that they will get involved with mine. Like, I don't ever beg or ask or say, hey, will you come check me out? Just show that you appreciate their work and most of the time people will come and show that they appreciate yours too, as long as it's good. Okay, besides community interaction on YouTube, you got to go the regular route and post on Facebook, post on Instagram, all that stuff. It doesn't do very much. It's not going to drive you a huge amount of traffic unless you have a big following somewhere else. Definitely post on your Facebook, share with all your friends and family, ask them to watch, ask them to subscribe, and that's going to get the ball rolling for your views to let YouTube know, okay, people will watch this. Hopefully the audience retention is good. It lets YouTube know, okay, this video is decent, and they'll start plugging it in to the homepage, suggested videos section, and things like that. But without like a kickstart, your video is just gonna like peter out into nowhere and never get any views. So anything you can do in that first day to really get the views rolling is gonna help YouTube know who wants to watch it, like what they're interested in. You gotta give the algorithm some data to be able to work for you. All right, and the most important tip, number 5, is just repeat. It's hard, it's slow, and you just gotta keep grinding. Whether it's once a week, whether it's once a month, whatever it is, just keep on your schedule and always hit that goal. Always upload it the same day. It really helps so much to be consistent and get better every video. I mean, that's what you should strive to do. Go for quality, because that's just as important, if not more important, to getting subscribers. If you have 10 amazing videos, that's gonna be a lot better than 100 crappy videos. So just stay consistent, don't burn yourself out, and just keep getting better, slowly getting better. And that's gonna let YouTube know you're serious, that's gonna let people know you're serious, and that's really gonna help your channel grow. I'm gonna drill down into some of these topics in my upcoming videos in this series, so please be sure to subscribe, and we'll catch you next time. Thanks guys, peace.